We've looked at throwing an object straight down. So what's left? Lawrence? Right. We're going to now look at throwing an object up. And there are some neat little special things about this situation when we throw an object straight up. And we're going to look at this. A couple of things are a little bit different. Who can tell me what this is close, or what this is like in terms of, or what you think this is like? Remember, these are very similar to what we just did with horizontal. We had 3 types of problems with horizontal movement, right? 3 types. Object stops, it's at a stop, and it starts speeding up. We had objects moving, it goes faster. And we had object going faster, slowing down. What do you think this is like? Hector?
Fast and it slows down.
You're absolutely right. Why do you think that? What do you think? Think about, I throw an object up in the air. What do you think happens to that object?
When you throw it up, you throw it at one speed. It goes down, it goes to another speed.
That's true. You're absolutely right. But we're not looking at when it comes back down. We're only focused in on the up.
Because when you throw it down, when you throw it with distance, it pulls it down a little bit too.
What pulls it down?
Gravity.
So what does gravity end up doing to it?
Taking over speed.
Nice. That was a nice explanation. Let's look at this a little bit. So we've got our kid we had on the top of the rock, or with a rock on the cliff. So we're getting rid of the cliff. We don't need the cliff, so we're going to get rid of that. We've got the kid, and all we have, he's got his rock. He's going to throw his rock up in the air. We're going to look at the rock. Remember, this is very important, we're not going to talk about the rock coming back down yet. We can do that, and you can look at that, and you can even ask the question you raised before, which is, does it come down faster when it comes back to your hand? Is it moving faster? We can look at that question, but we're not doing that yet. We're only focused in on rock going up in the air, going up and up and up to the maximum point. So, the highest point it reaches, we call this the maximum height. The maximum meaning the biggest. It's not going to get higher than that. What do you think V is at the maximum height? What do you think the velocity is? It's the final velocity. Alexis?
0.
Why do you think it's 0?
It's going to stop.
It's exactly what it does. A lot of times people get confused and they think when you throw something up in the air that it goes faster and faster and faster, but it doesn't. It's what Hector said. You throw something up, it slows down.